Hello everyone, I Dipanshi Yadav welcome you all to Rajdhani Media Gurugram. Even as the second wave of COVID recedes, India is facing a new virus of concern, the Delta Plus variant of coronavirus. What is it? Should be worried about it? Let's discuss about it today. Of the various mutations the COVID has presented till date, the Delta Plus variant is the one which made the doctors and scientists worried. The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention has clarified that the Delta Plus variant is a highly transmissible variant of COVID which infects a person, and it is a variant of concern for all of the people. Delta Plus virus has drawn the lines of concern on the forehead of the government too. According to the Health Ministry sources, there are almost 40 cases of Delta Plus variant in India. These 40 cases have been found in 8 states of India, which are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, and Jammu. This variant was identified by scientists in December 2020 in India. This virus is becoming more prevalent in the world because it is transmitted much faster, and almost 80 countries have been affected by this Delta virus. Dr. Anthony S. Fauci, the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, clearly warned that any country that has the Delta Plus variant should be concerned that there will be a surge of infections, particularly if that particular country does not have a substantial proportion of people vaccinated. We have seen when the Delta Plus variant spreads among the non-vaccinated people, it becomes more dangerous, more dominant very quickly. He also added this to warn the countries to remain safe and make the people vaccinated fastly. Now, the question arises, are the vaccine the answer, or the vaccines can help us to fight this virus? Yes, the vaccines are available to put up a great defense against the COVID variants, but the problem arises here is that most of the people have not been vaccinated, and the variant is at its peak when the vaccination is slowed down nationally. Thus, the vaccination is a mandatory process to fight against this virus. Apart from this, staying at home and taking all the necessary precautions like social distancing, personal hygiene, hand sanitization, wearing a mask is mandatory and are essential for the benefit of a person. Now, we don't know what new surprises this new variant will bring for us. So, we should take care of all the necessary precautions and stay home and stay safe throughout. This was it for today's news update. Please stay at your home and don't go out if not necessary. Take all the precautions and stay safe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news updates. Thank you.